Welcome students. In last lecture we learned how to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method. Today we have to learn solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method. Dear students, in standard 9th we learned that the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. The ordered pair which satisfy the equation is a solution of that equation. The ordered pair represent a point on that line. To solve simultaneous equation by graphically, we have to find out order pairs. To find out the order pairs, we have to use following method. Two equations are given, x plus y is equal to 6. Second linear equation in two variable is x minus y is equal to 4. These two equations we have to solve by graphically. For that purpose, we have to take out 4 order pair for these equations and we have to make table like this. For second equation, we have to make table like this. In that, we have to find out minimum 4 points. See the first equation. We have to convert this equation. First of all, we have to take the values of x and then we have to find out the value of y, and here we have to write the order pair. Now here we have to convert this equation like this. Y is equal to 6 minus x. It is for our better convenient. We take out the value of one variable in the form of another variable and we write here y is equal to 6 minus x. Now we have to take the 4 values of x and from that we have to find out the values of y. Therefore, first of all, we have to take for x is equal to, we can take any value. Suppose we take here x is equal to 6. Sorry, we can take x is equal to 0. Then we have to write here equation y is equal to 6 minus x. Therefore, y is equal to 6 minus 0. Then here we will get here y is equal to 6. Minus 0 it is 6. Therefore, when we take x is equal to 0, we get here y is equal to 6. Therefore, first order pair is 0 and 6. Similarly, we have to take the second one value, that is x is equal to, we can take 6. Therefore, we have to write this form of equation y is equal to 6 minus x. Therefore, y is equal to 6 minus 6. Therefore, we get here y is equal to 0. We get here when x is equal to 6, then it is y is equal to 0. Then we have to take the third value of x. Here we have to write the order pair 6, 0. Then we have to take the third value. Suppose we take the x is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 6 minus x. And therefore, we get here y is equal to 6 minus 3. And therefore, we can write the value y is equal to 6 minus 3. It is 3. Therefore, when x is equal to 3, y is also 3. Therefore, the equation order pair is 3, 3. Now, we have to take the another value. Suppose we take x is equal to 2. Then we have to write here fourth order pair, that is x is equal to 2. write down the equation y is equal to 6 minus x, and here we get therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2, therefore it is y is equal to 4. Therefore we get here x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, therefore 2 4 is the another order pair. Now we get here 4 order pair, and that order pair we have to plot on a graph paper. On a graph paper, I have already made a coordinate system. In this coordinate system, we have to plot these 4 points, and that 4 points are collinear points, and passing through that 4 points, we have to draw a line, and that line will be the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 6. For that purpose, I have already made coordinate system. Here it is x-axis, this is y-axis. On that I have write positive side of x-axis. Here you must have to write x. It is the negative side of x-axis. We have to write here x dash. Then here it is positive side of y-axis, and it is the negative side of a y-axis. It is y dash. Now you have to take care while writing the scale. It is compulsory, you must have to write the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes, that you have to write. Now we have to plot our ordered pair. First order pair is, that is first point is 0 and 6. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. Therefore we have to see on x axis 0 we have to find out. On x axis this is 0, and on y axis we have to see the 6. On this y axis we have to observe the 6. This is the 6. Therefore this point is 0 and 6. We have to write here the coordinate. First x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. Now see the second coordinate. Second coordinate is 6 and 0. Therefore on x axis we have to see the 6, because x coordinate is 6. Then we have to see on a y axis 0. On y axis this is 0. Therefore our point is this, and it is 6 and 0. Now the third order pair is 3 and 3. That is x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is also 3. Therefore we have to see from this here and from this y it is 3. Therefore this is another point, that is 3 and 3. Now see the fourth order pair, that is 2 and 4. Therefore on a x axis 2 and on a y axis we got here 4. Therefore our point is 2 and 4. Now see, these 4 points are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these 4 points are collinear points, and passing through these 4 points one line is there, and therefore this is the graph of our equation. Join this 4 point and make a one line. At the end of one line we have to draw the arrows, and at the one end we have to write the equation of that line. That means we can say that the graph of this equation is, therefore we have to write here x plus y is equal to 6. That means this line is the graph of which equation? Equation x plus y is equal to 6. Now we have to see the second equation. As we So in a first equation we find out the 4 order pair. Same way we have to find out the 4 order pair for the second equation. Now see, the second equation is a x minus y is equal to 4. This equation also we have to convert. Here we have to write minus y is equal to 4 minus x. Multiply with minus 1, we get here y is equal to minus 4 plus x. Therefore y is equal to x minus 4. We get here y is equal to x minus 4. Now we have to write here x, here we have to write y, and then order pair x, y. Now we have to take the values of x and from that find out the value of y. For x is equal to, suppose we take x is equal to 0. Then write down our equation y is equal to x minus 4. Therefore y is equal to 0 minus 4. Therefore we get here y is equal to minus 4. That means when x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 4. Therefore order pair is 0, minus 4. For second value x is equal to, we take now 4. Therefore write down the equation y is equal to x minus 4. Therefore 4 minus 4, we get here y is equal to 0. Therefore x is 4, y is equal to 0. Therefore it is 4, 0. Then third value, that is for x is equal to, we can take another value of x, that is 2, and from that we have to find out the value of y. Therefore write down the equation y is equal to x minus 4. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 4, and students, we get here y is equal to minus 2. And when x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2, and here we have to write order pair 2 minus 2. Now see the fourth value. Fourth value, we can take x is equal to, we can take 3, and therefore y is equal to x minus 4. We can find out y is equal to 3 minus 4, and we get here y is equal to minus 1. Therefore we get 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Therefore 3 minus 1 is the fourth order pair that we required to draw the graph of equation x minus y is equal to 4. Now all these 4 points we have to plot on a same graph paper. Now see, here we have to plot all these 4 order pair. First one is 0 minus 4. First order pair is 0 and minus 4. Therefore on x-axis we have to see this 0, and on a y-axis it is minus 4. On a y-axis it is minus 4. Therefore this is our first point. It is 0 and minus 4. Now we have to see the second point, that is 4 and 0. That means on a x-axis, see this 4 and this 0. Therefore we get this point, it is 0 and it is 4 and 0. Now see the third order pair, it is 2 and minus 2. It is 2 on a y-axis, it is minus 2. Therefore on x-axis this 2, on y-axis this is minus 2. Therefore this 2 and this minus 2, we get the point here, and this point is 2 and minus 2. Now we have to plot the fourth order pair, that is 3 and minus 1. This is on x-axis, this is 3, on y-axis it is minus 1. Therefore 3 and minus 1, this is our fourth order pair. We can write here 3 and minus 1. Like this, we got here 4 points. Now these 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, all are collinear. Passing through these 4 points, draw a line and draw the graph of equation. Now join these points. We get here one straight line. At the both end we have to draw the arrow. It is a straight line. Now at the one end of this we have to write the equation of this line, that is x minus y is equal to 4. Now if we observe the graph of both equations, the graph of both equations are straight line and they are intersect each other at one point, and this point of intersection is our solution. It is find out the coordinate of this point of intersection. One point is x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 1. Therefore we write here order pair 5 and 1. This is our solution because this is a common coordinate which lies on the graph of both axes, and therefore it satisfies both the equations simultaneously. Therefore this is a solution of this simultaneous equation. Dear friend, we have to write the final answer here, that is solution of simultaneous equation is 5, 1, or we can write in another way, that is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Like this we complete the first sum to solve the simultaneous equation graphically. Now we have to start with the another sum. Same, we have to use the method, that is simultaneous equation graphically. We take x minus y is equal to 0. This is the first equation, and second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now to solve this simultaneous equation graphically, as we see in a previous sum, we have to plot the 4 points on a graph paper. For that purpose we have to find out 4 order pair. Now here x plus y is equal to 0. It is the first equation. We have to convert it like this. Y is equal to, this x goes on that side, it get minus x. Therefore we get the equation y is equal to minus x. Now for this we have to write here x, here it is y, and order pair is x comma y. Now first equation, for first value we take x is equal to, we can take x is equal to 0. Therefore we write here x is equal to 0. Then write down this equation, y is equal to minus x. Therefore we get y is equal to 0. Therefore when x is equal to 0, we get the value of y is also 0, 0, and coordinates are 0, 0, order pair is 0, 0. Now we have to take the second value. Therefore for x is equal to, we take the another value, that is 2. Now write down the equation. Y is equal to minus x. Therefore y is equal to minus, and this is value of x, therefore it is y is equal to minus 2. Now we have to write here, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2, therefore the order pair is 2 and minus 2. Let's take a third value, that is for x is equal to, we have to take minus 2. Now write down the equation. Y is equal to minus x, therefore y is equal to this minus, and value of this x is minus 2, and therefore y is equal to this minus get plus, and here it is y is equal to 2. Therefore for x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2, and order pair is minus 2 and 2. Let's take the third point. Suppose we take here x is equal to 4. Therefore we have to write here, for x is equal to 4. Write down the equation, y is equal to minus x. Therefore it is y is equal to minus 4. We get the value y is equal to minus 4 like this. We can write here, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 4, and order pair is 4 and minus 4. Now we got here 4 order pair, and that order pair we have to plot on a graph paper. I have already drawn a coordinate system, and in that coordinate system we have to write, or we have to plot the graph. As I have already told you, that is this x-axis, this is y-axis, point of origin, and here scale. Don't forget to write the scale every time. It is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Now we have to plot the 4 coordinate. First one is the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is also 0. All of you know that this is the point of origin. Therefore we get here our first point, that is 0 0. Second coordinate points are 2 and minus 2. On x-axis we have to see the 2, and on y-axis we have to see the minus 2. Therefore this is plus 2, on y-axis it is minus 2, the point is here, and write down the coordinates 2 and minus 2. Then we have to see the third order pair, that is minus 2 and 2. On x-axis we have to see this minus 2, on y-axis we have to see the 2. Therefore here we get the point minus 2 and 2. Write down here minus 2 and 2. Let's take the fourth one, that is 4 and minus 4. On x-axis this is 4, on y-axis we have to see this 4. From this here it is 4, and from this minus 4. Therefore we get here point 4 and minus 4. Now we got here 4 points, and from that, passing through that 4 points, we have to draw a line. Points are collinear, therefore we have to draw a line passing through these 4 points and make arrow at the both end, and at the one end we have to write the equation. Therefore this is a graph of equation x plus y is equal to 0. Now this is for first equation. Now we have to see the second equation. In that second equation, similarly as we saw in the first equation, we have to find out the 4 order pair. For finding out that 4 order pair, we have to convert this equation. First of all, see the equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. Convert this equation. For one variable, we have to find out the value of one variable in the form of another variable. Therefore, we write here minus y is equal to 9 minus 2x. We take out this 2x on this side, or we can say that subtract 2x from both the side. Therefore, now multiply by 1 on both the side. We get here y is equal to minus 9 plus 2x. Then we convert it like this, y is equal to 2x minus 9. 2x minus 9. Now we have to use this equation. It is the same equation, but we convert it into to understand it clearly. It is x, here it is y, and coordinates are x and y. Now we have to take the values. First we can write here for x is equal to 0. Then write down this equation, y is equal to 2x minus 9. Therefore we get here y is equal to 2 into 0. Put it in a bracket, that will be easy to solve further. Then here it is y is equal to 0 minus 9. Therefore we get here y is equal to minus 9. This is the first value. Therefore we write here x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 9, and order pair is 0 and minus 9. Let's take student second value. For x is equal to we can take 2. Therefore write down the equation y is equal to 2x minus 9. Therefore y is equal to 2 into 2, put it in a bracket, minus 9. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus 9. Therefore y is equal to minus 5. We get here the value of x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 5, and 2 and minus 5, this is the next order pair. Now let's see the third one. We can take the value of x is equal to 5. Here for x is equal to 5, we write here equation y is equal to 2x minus 9. Therefore y is equal to 2 into 5, put it in a bracket, minus 9. Therefore we get here y is equal to 10 minus 9. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1. Therefore order pair is 5, 1. Now let's take a fourth value. For x is equal to, we can take, it is 1. Then y is equal to 2x minus 9. This is the equation. Therefore y is equal to 2 into 1, write it in a bracket, minus 9. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 9, and we get y is equal to minus 7. Therefore we got here x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 7, and our coordinate is 1 and minus 7. This is the fourth order pair. Now we have 4 order pairs. All these 4 order pairs we have to plot on a graph paper, same graph paper, and See here students, we have to plot first point, that is 0 and 9. On x-axis it is 0. On y-axis we have to see the minus 9. Therefore it is minus 9. We got here this point, and this is our first point, that is 0, minus 9. Second point is 2 and minus 5. On x-axis this is 2. On y-axis it is minus 5. Therefore minus 5, this is our second order pair. It is 2 and minus 5. The third order pair is 5 and 1. On x-axis this is 5, and y-axis we have to see the 1 here. Therefore order pair is here. Then we write here 5 and 1. This is our third order pair. And the last one is 1 and minus 7. On x-axis we have to see the 1, and y-axis we have to see the minus 7. It is here. Therefore the point is 1 and minus 7. Like this we got 4 order pair. They are collinear. Let's see. First, second, third and fourth all are collinear points. That means we got all the 4 points correctly, and passing through this we have to draw a line like this. Don't forget to make arrows at both the end. And here we got equation, graph of equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. Don't forget to write that equation at one end. Therefore we can write here 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now as we see in previous sum, the lines or the graph of this equation are intersect each other in one point. See, this is a line. This is the graph of equation x plus y is equal to 9, and this is the graph of equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. They intersect each other in one point. Find out the coordinate of point of intersection, that is 3 and minus 3. This is our solution. These 3 minus 3 satisfy this equation. Same way these values satisfy this equation. Therefore our solution is 3 and minus 3. Don't forget to write the final answer. See, here we have to write, therefore solution of simultaneous equation is x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3, or we can write like this, or 3 minus 3. This is our solution for simultaneous equations. I hope everyone understood how to solve simultaneous equation by graphical method. Students, try to solve remaining sums from practice set 1.2 and write it in your notebook. Thank you.